Very few details, but I can tell you that a Pentagon official, Tony, has told me that the crew of the ship has retaken control of that ship. He is not aware of any injuries to the crew, and he says that the crew has taken at least one of the hijackers into custody. But to put some nuance into that, it does raise some questions. To say that there is one hijacker that is in custody, well, we know there were multiple hijackers on board, so it raises the question about if this retaking was part of the ship or all of the ship. The other hijackers, are they in another part of the ship, or have they left the ship? Those are some of the questions we're still pursuing and still trying to answer, but obviously some very breaking developments in this story.
But clearly the indication here is that the pirates aren't in control of the vessel at this point.
Well, we can at least say they are not in control of the entire vessel. We can say that. We can say that for sure. Again, this has all been happening very, very quickly.